Microscopic creatures and ancient drawings that could hold the secrets of mankind have recently been discovered in Madagascar. So strap in and check out some of the amazing discoveries that experts have made on the island nation. Now, first on our list is a creature that is so shocking it was actually called the Crazy Beast. The official name, which translates from ancient Greek, is Adolitherium, and it is one of the strangest animals that scientists have ever discovered. This creature is believed to be around 66 million years old and went extinct about 45 million years ago. Scientists were slowly building this creature piece by piece with each new discovery to try and understand what it could have actually looked like. While teeth and small bones initially made it seem like it was closely connected to a modern sloth, it turns out that it is actually much different. As archaeologists uncovered more pieces of the Crazy Beast, they quickly realized that it was basically just a mismatch of different animal parts stuck onto one bizarre creature. It featured a body that was somewhat similar to an otter, but its legs and claws were similar to a rodent. It also had some armadillo-like qualities, which really made things even more bizarre. These creatures are believed to have originated on the ancient supercontinent of Gondwana, but spent most of their evolutionary life in Madagascar. The isolation on the island allowed them to morph into their incredibly bizarre form and absolutely stun the scientists of our present time period. Here we have some ancient drawings that could hold a ton of significance in the history of mankind. The drawings are found inside a cave in western Madagascar, and they have really stunned experts around the world. The ancient carvings seem to depict human and animal-like figures interacting with nature. Some of these drawings include pictures of extinct animals such as elephant birds and giant tortoises that used to live on the island thousands of years ago. What really sticks out with these drawings, however, is their connection to other ancient civilizations. Researchers have noted that these cave drawings of Madagascar are extremely similar to religious motifs that were found in Egypt from thousands of years ago. But the one thing that has stood out to so many experts around the world are the connections that can be tied to ancient civilizations from the island of Borneo. This same art style was found in caves on the Southeast Asian island. Many believe that the ancient civilizations from Madagascar could be related to the people of Borneo. There is obviously a lot to unpack with such a critical discovery, and scientists will undoubtedly be studying these drawings for a very long time. Now here's a creature that is much smaller than the Crazy Beast, but is just as strange. What you're looking at here is the lowland streaked tenrec, which is endemic to Madagascar. Now, just from taking a quick look at this bizarre animal, you can already tell that it is unlike any other creature that is inhabiting the island nation. It is relatively small in size, but has a ton of porcupine-like spikes on its back that has some striking yellow stripes running through them. It also features a rather long beak that is surrounded by a mane of bright yellow spikes, which really gives it a Zapdos-like appearance. Now, you might be thinking that this would make the creature an easy target for predators, but it's actually the exact opposite. The yellow spikes that are found on the tenrec serve as a defense mechanism and help keep predators away. Some creatures can also be fooled by the bright colors and mistake the tenrec for a very poisonous animal. While many creatures don't go anywhere near them, the lowland streaked tenrec is actually quite social within its own ecosystem. They usually gather in packs and search the forests of Madagascar for grub and any other food they can gobble up. The uniqueness of this creature really stunned experts when it was first discovered, but it was further proof that Madagascar is truly a mysterious place. Now, speaking of small creatures, scientists believe that the world's smallest reptile was recently discovered in Madagascar. An expedition team somehow managed to spot this microscopic creature, which has completely stunned the global scientific community. This is the Brachysia nana, and it is known as a nano-chameleon. It is so tiny that a fully grown version can fit directly on the tip of your finger. Scientists have determined that the body of a male Brachysia can only grow to 13.5 millimeters in length, which is about the size of a seed. There are more than 11,000 reptile species on Earth, but the expedition team are confident this new discovered species is the smallest of the bunch. It is so tiny that it can hide from its predators by standing behind a blade of grass. They spend most of their time running around the ground searching for mice to eat, and experts believe they are only found in the northern tip of Madagascar. Now, although there have only been a tiny handful of specimens to examine, scientists also believe the species could in fact be endangered. It wouldn't be too surprising to hear that these creatures have a tough time lasting in the wilderness, but hopefully experts can provide a helping hand to preserve the microscopic species. And finally, we have an ancient fish species that many experts believe was actually extinct. The coelacanth is easily one of the most interesting fish species on the planet, and has really opened up a whole new world of possibilities. The coelacanth is actually just one species that was part of an entire lineage that supposedly went extinct a long time ago. They are an ancient type of lobe-finned fish that has actually existed on Earth for more than 400 million years. Coelacanths are easily identifiable by their wide array of fins that hang off the top and the bottom of their bodies. But even though they should stick out like a sore thumb, marine biologists had a very tough time finding them for many years. Most scientists had come to the conclusion that this type of fish had gone extinct 66 million years ago, as they were only able to find fossils. However, at some point in the 1930s, a coelacanth was discovered in the West Indian Ocean near the coast of Madagascar. This proved that the lineage was still going strong today, and debunked any theories that the creature was actually gone for good. Considering that we have only scratched the surface when it comes to ocean exploration, this could also mean that other long forgotten creatures might still be with us today. The coelacanth could actually be the gateway to a ton of new discoveries in the near future. And that wraps up our look at the shocking Madagascar discoveries that left experts astonished. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you all for the next one.